National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 6:15 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Tonalino to near Bel Air South, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations and tactics include Elkton, Calvert, Northeast, Rising Sunshine, Charlestown, Cecilia, Warwick, Zion, Blake, Hartsdale, Bohemian Hills, West Nottingham, Octoraro, Rainsford, Cherry Hill, Glen Westover, Bayview, Lombard, Richardsmere, and Woodlawn. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northern and northeastern Maryland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Cecil, Maryland. A tornado